for the following areas in Connecticut: Fairfield, New Haven, New London, and Middlesex. And the following areas in New Jersey: Hudson, Passaic, Bergen, Essex, Union, Warren, Morris, Hunterdon, Somerset, Middlesex, Monmouth, Mercer, Ocean, Burlington, and Salem. And the following areas in New York: Westchester, Rockland, Orange, Putnam, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Bronx, Nassau, Queens, and Suffolk. And the following areas in Pennsylvania: Montgomery, Lehigh, Berks, Northampton, and Philadelphia. And the following area in Delaware: Newcastle. And the following area in Maryland: Cecil. Blizzard warning in effect from 6 p.m. Friday to 7 a.m. Sunday. What? Heavy, blowing and drifting snow and strong winds up to 50 miles per hour with gusts up to 80 miles per hour expected. Total snow accumulations, 35 to 45 inches with locally higher amounts. When? From 6 p.m. Friday to 7 a.m. Sunday. Impacts: snow will become heavy within 1 hour after the snow starts falling, and combining the winds to be strong will easily cause whiteout conditions and power outages. Driving will be impossible. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Make sure you also have food and water and an extra flashlight in case of an emergency.